Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning Software. Today we will discuss the basic knowledge of computer. So first of all we have to discuss what is computer. A computer is an electronic machine. It is an electronic device. It takes the raw data as input from the users through input devices, then process it through processing device like CPU, then store it through memory and produce result through output device. All the computer works in these components like input devices, CPU, memory and output devices. So all the structure of a computer is depend upon input devices, then CPU, memory and output devices. The users can enter the data through input devices, then it process it through CPU and store it through memory and produce result through output devices. So this is the structure of a computer system. First of all, users can input the data through input devices, then it process it through processing device like CPU, and while it do the processing it can store in memory. So after that it will produce the result through output device. So all the structure is depend upon input devices, processing, memory and then output. So this is the real time example. So here we have the calculation of 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 2 and 2 indicate that it is the input data, plus sign indicate the processing device or processor, or this plus sign indicate that it is the operator, and 4 is the result. So this indicate that it is a output device. So all these component we have input data. First of all we have to enter the data through input devices, then process it through processing, and after that it comes the result through output devices. So this is the main or real time example of computer system. Categories of computer: we have two categories of computer. One is hardware and other is software. All the computer is depend upon these categories. One is hardware and other is software. So what is hardware? The physical component of a computer system that we can see and touch are called hardware. So all the physical component is basically depend upon hardware. So that we can see, we can touch or we can replace is called hardware. Examples of hardware devices are input devices, output devices, storage devices and CPU, central processing unit. Like monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU are the example of hardware devices we can easily replace, we can easily touch and we can easily see. So this is the basic examples of hardware devices. Now come to the software. The term software refers to the computer program that are needed for running or operating a computer system. So it is basically depend upon the program. So we cannot see, we cannot replace, just we have to use it in our program. Some examples of software are Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Adobe Flash, Paint. These are the example of software. Just we have to use their functionality, we cannot replace their modules, just we have to use it in our program. So this is the basic example of a software. We have different software available, so just we have to use it in our program and that's all. So this is the example of a software. So if you like my video then like, share, comment and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.